Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I received a humongous doll and it is just too big. I have a hard time bringing up to my place, so I'm going to do the opening of the box in our parquet. So here we go. What I'm going to do is I'll take the baby and the clothes and all the accessories with me upstairs one by one instead of carrying the entire box with me. Here are the 2 bags of goodies. To start with, we have some small accessories, headband, pacifier, and socks. Oh, the camera didn't capture how the stuffed animal looked like, but it's a bunny. So every time I buy from this artist, she knows that I like bunny, so you will probably notice clothes, shoes, hair stuff, they tend to be bunny themed. But if artist ran out of bunny stuff, she will give me a pink toy still, maybe a pink alpaca or a pink doggy. See, this is the dress that my other doll that I bought from her, I have it too. So yep, this baby and my other baby Susu, they can wear bunny dress all year round. I kind of really like plain shirt because it goes along with anything. So don't think because it is plain I don't like it. I actually do. Here we have a bag of stockings and underwear. Very cute. I find that underwear, not diaper cover, for a 3-month-old baby is very hard to find because 3-month-old wear diaper, they don't really need underwear. I do think the artist knit this one. Every baby I buy from her, I get a set like this. Very pretty and it feels really soft. And the best part of the package is she always gives out these beautiful dresses. These dresses are so beautiful, like even a real baby can wear it to parties and weddings. Here we have another bag of hair accessories. Okay, the artist of this baby is Olga Kotelnikova. And now we know the kit is ZOE by Natali Blick, the latest kit by Natali Blick. She is my favorite. Right, my friends, here comes the most exciting part of the video, baby reveal time. I'm not sure if you guys can see, this baby is huge, not too heavy, but it's huge. The artist told me before baby arrived, oh, ZOE has a very good appetite. Look at this, it has a bell, it goes ding 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 ding. Look at this belly, it's so protruding. And look how creative the artist dressed the baby. ZOE looks like she just came back from a skiing trip. Again, look at that. Bunny. Look at the beautiful hand. It's painted so well. And she really have big hands too. 1, 2, 3. Hi ZOE, welcome home. Look how firm Zoe's body is. I'm grabbing her by her feet and she can stand so well. Zoe, let's go home. Zoe and I are in an elevator right now. Heading home. I push Zoe down while grabbing my keys. And Zoe thinks that someone is already inside the home, so she's trying to knock, hoping someone will open the door. We are home. Look how happy Zoe is. Now let's take a better look at Zoe under bright sunlight. Look at all her feigning. Very well done. Oh, and look at that humongous feet. And that gigantic toe. Let's see what Zoe is wearing inside. Oh, she's wearing pink pajamas. Okay, it's not pink bunnies, it's pink kittens. Very cute. Now we can see how big her stomach is and how thick her legs are. She's so cute, so cuddly. Look at that thigh, so juicy. Holy. When Zoe was in the middle of creation, artist said, "Oh, does Zoe need more hair?" Well, in the picture, Zoe does look like losing hairstyle, and I asked for a bit more hair, but now I kind of find Zoe has too much hair. She's very unique. She's got the thickest hair out of all my dolls. It is very thoughtful that the artist put the baby on boots because she can stand very well. It creates a larger surface for Zoe to stand on. Look at my Zoe, she can stand so well. With a little hair clip, she looks even more girly. Have laid out all the goodies the artist gave to Zoe on the table. Now please enjoy some photos of Zoe. I haven't come up with a name for Zoe yet, so I will announce it later in my Instagram and Facebook. If you guys like Zoe and my video, please remember to click like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.